Hello and welcome, y'all. Today we're gonna embark on a journey to explore how this unassuming tool transforms the way we keep our paper in order. This voice is powered by the 11 Labs text-to-speech model. The double hole punch consists of a handle, a pivot pin which acts as the fulcrum, two torsion springs at different ends of the fulcrum, a punch driver, a saddle-shaped punch, and a base plate with dual upright supports. Let's get into the working of the punch. You start, of course, by pushing the handle. The handle rotates around the fulcrum, which in turn pushes the punch driver, which moves the punch down. The punch employs the use of a second-class lever. In a second-class lever, the load is located between the fulcrum and the effort. In the context of a hole punch, fulcrum, the point around which the lever rotates, often positioned at one end of the hole punch. Effort being the force applied by the user when pressing down on the lever or handle. Load being the paper being punched, situated between the fulcrum and the effort. The double hole punch uses a torsion spring which resets the lever after every use. A torsion spring resembles a regular spring, but with two ends that are extended, which allows for rotational movement. Torsion springs are used in many places, such as rat traps, clocks, and clips, as you can see in this model. The mechanical advantage of second-class levers allows for the amplification of force, making it easier to punch holes through multiple pieces of paper. Let's get into some of the features of a double hole punch. The handle, when pushed, moves radially. Now, to ensure that the punch driver goes down in a straight line, two oblong slots placed perpendicular to each other are used. The horizontal one, attached to the handle, provides enough space for the rod to stay in the same plane while being able to move up and down due to the vertical slot in the upright supports of the base. There are two guides that make sure the punch moves in a vertical path only. You may be wondering why the end of the punch is a saddle shape. With a saddle shape, the smallest possible area of the blade comes into contact with the paper at any given point. Since pressure is inversely proportional to the area on which it's applied, this ensures clean cuts every time. Understanding the design behind the punch is like unlocking the secret to its precision. The sharp, cylindrical punching elements work harmoniously with the lever mechanism to create clean, uniform holes. As we've explored, each element of the double hole punch serves a purpose, from the lever's mechanical advantage to the specialized shape of the punching elements.